I'm Zoe Deutsch.
And I'm Kate Lang.
And we are Moon Raccoon Baking Company. Moon Raccoon is a micro bakery that specializes in croissants using locally grown wheat. We make regular croissants, almond croissants, we do cruffins, we make bostock, and then we also do cookies and scones and coffee cakes, and we bring it to farmers markets all over, and then we sell them all in the mornings.
We just pop up as a 10 by 10 tent, and everything is pre-baked, assembled out on the table so that you can build your own box, and we've found great success in doing that.
Right now, the business's performance has been year over year just growing. I think we doubled our revenue last year from the previous. But right now, our Q1 is like super low. There's no farmers markets to bring in revenue during the first 4 months of the year, which we really want to change. We want to be operating all year round. So we're planning on using the honeycomb funds to build out a brick and mortar space in the Sunnyside neighborhood that we're in lease negotiations for.
We're really just trying to create more space for us to expand our production, be able to produce more, be able to produce it a bit more efficiently so that everybody who works for us, including ourselves, can find even more work-life balance. And then to add a real permanent location where people can find us more than just on Saturdays and Sundays.
When we were just starting, we were both baking out of our own home kitchens, and we were like, this isn't what we started this to do. Like, we want to bake together in the same rooms. And we've always wanted like slow, sustained growth, which I think is why it took us these 4 and change years to finally look into getting this brick and mortar space, because we feel like we're really ready. Thanks for checking out our investment offering.
And we look forward to growing with you in the Sunnyside community in the future.